fellow collectors, today we'll be taking a look at DC Comics Shallox from the Green Lantern Wars. Now we'll see that this character is one of a two-pack, and what I mean by that is you had to buy two of this character to collect the other character. So Nightlick was the other character, and if you bought the appendages and everything, you got to put them on and then discard. It's kind of a waste. Why didn't they just have two characters? But it is what it is. All right, so as we look at this guy, we bring him in closer, we see he has this skull-like look. These horns and his face. The Red Lantern symbol, the Red Lantern outfit, his ring, and boots. It's a very simplistic figure. Adding on the additional parts of Nightlick, just take off the head, put it on here, take off the hands, and there you go. Same body, so his head will move up and down, left and right. Arms will rotate around, has a bicep swivel, one bend at the elbow, and rotation at the wrist. He does a nice ab crunch and waist. He can do a pretty nice split. He does have a lower thigh swivel with a bend in the knee, and his ankle can rock back and forth. Now this guy will not be as tall as Nightlick because Nightlick has that huge, huge head. So as we go ahead and look, we'll see that this guy does come in right at, what's that, 6.5? Or, yeah, 6.5. Blink. All right, as it falls down, we'll go ahead and get the scale in and give this guy a weigh. And we see this guy comes in at 2.2 ounces. You'll notice that he does have two holes on the foot for a stand. So if I stand him up next to Marvel Legends, Deadpool, and Duke, we can see that he does fit in nicely with this set. So that means the multiverse, he'll be a little bit smaller. And we just bring in Gorilla Grodd and then verify that. So, whereas Nightlick was pretty good measurements with the DC multiverse, Shallox falls a little short. But that doesn't mean anything. You can have different size aliens and things like that. But the body type does lend more back to the DC Classics and the DC Direct figures. So as always, guys, like, subscribe, and keep collecting.